Buna everyone, in today's video, we will be making a wooden bench. We're going to use this for picnics, so instead of buying a new one, we decided to make our own because it's much cheaper. Here I piled up all the cut woods and removing some twigs. We will use these woods for the fence. And here, my husband is smoothing the surface of this plank. It's kind of windy and cold, so we build a fire to keep ourselves warm while working. I start cleaning the chopped woods. This will be used as legs for the bench. Screwing the legs into the surface frame. Doing some finishing touches and lastly painting the bench. And tada! Here's the finished product. Thanks for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye!